Hi, friends! Vegetables are amazing. They come in all shapes, colors, and sizes, and they're super healthy. Today, let's count our veggies while learning a bit about each one. Are you ready? This is broccoli. Did you know broccoli looks like a mini tree? Let's do some counting with broccoli. If you start with 2 heads of broccoli in your basket and you pick 3 more, how many do you have? 5. That's right. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Yum! I love eating broccoli. Next, we have red peppers. Red peppers start off green and change color as they ripen, becoming sweeter and even more packed with vitamin C. Let's count some peppers. If you have 5 red peppers and use 3 to make a salad, how many are left? You got it. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Peppers are yummy. And here's our final veggie, carrots. They're crunchy and delicious, perfect for a snack. If you start with 4 carrots and munch on 3, how many do you have left? That's right, 4 minus 3 is 1. I love carrots. Thanks for counting with us. Remember to enjoy lots of yummy vegetables every day. If you liked our veggie adventure, don't forget to subscribe to Tickle Time TV for more fun and learning.